Merry Christmas! Come see how I've decorated the house. Let's go into the lounge. Next is the snug. You got a bow, and you've got a bow. This one's blue. Hello. And this one's Chester. Good boys. And now through the kitchen into the dining room. Let's go upstairs, we have 2 rooms to show you. Let's go into the guest room. We have guests staying over for Christmas. And last but not least is the master bedroom, the room we have just done. Thanks for coming over, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.
Yo, welcome to my crib. This is my place that I share with my lovely lady. Would you like a mince pie? Come on in. So here I decorated nothing. This was all done by my other half, because I do nothing. What I do provide is alcohol and a mince pie. Do you want a mince pie? Come on in. Stairs. This is a garland. Got some lights hanging from the ceiling. Yeah. Couldn't tell you where they're from. This is probably the best part of the hallway. This candle here, because it smells of mango. Come check this out. This is the living room. It's got a tree. Chopped this one down myself. It was hard work, and for some reason the snow stayed on it. Don't know how that happened. Got some presents down there. Wrapped that. I did that.
They didn't.
Got a fire going. It's Christmas, so got to be warm, haven't you? There's another candle over here. Check this out. Candle. Over here we've got a couple of deers and a shell. Don't know what that's got to do with Christmas. Let's head upstairs.
You've missed a room.
Oh yeah, come through to the snug. So you would have seen Leanne's version, but this is my version.
What it actually is like right now.
There's no mirror. Got some baubles in the fire. We're going to set fire to them later. They explode.
There went up.
Got some nutcrackers. A couple of rats down here.
Oh my god, don't say that.
These are my boys, really. I love them. Look. They just want to be left alone, though, to be fair. So we'll leave him alone. He's been out all night, this one. Look, you can tell. Again. Anyway, come through to the kitchen. So this is a piano. At the moment, you'd think, oh, this looks like quite a nice old antique piano. The idea was to make a bar of it, but it's recently become where we keep the poo stuff. To clean the cat poo.
And how long have you had this for?
Over a year, I reckon.
And what have you done to it?
moved it from the living room to here.
And you took the keys out.
I've took everything out. It's not a working piano anymore.
So when will it be a bar?
Give it another year. Personally, kind of given up on the idea, and I'd quite like just to get rid of the piano. Over here we've got 2 broken cat boxes that you'll be familiar with, but as predicted, one's gone in. Christmas is upon us, so... And down here we've got a litter tray.
Yeah, that did make the video before.
Blue. He's my G. Should we take them upstairs, Blue? Let's go upstairs. Come on, Chester can walk, he's got legs.
So does Blue.
Don't film me walking upstairs.
Can't stop.
So let's take you into the spare room, where we don't have any friends.
You say that, we've got people coming for Christmas and New Year.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
Hello, Blue. This is a tree. Don't know why we've got 2. Hello, Chester.
So this was the tree that I had in the snug before, but it's now in here.
This one,
Chester, do you mind?
cut down, still alive. Master bedroom. Yeah, it is what it is. It's a master bedroom. Here's a throne for me. This is music I made. I don't know how that works, but
It's a sound wave.
Yeah, it's a sound wave, yeah. I knew that.
That's Paul's band, Pray Drive.
This is the only thing Christmas Eve we've got in here.
There are a few bits. What about the little stockings? We've got the garland, got the disco ball. We've got these little bits here. These little bits here. These are Christmassy.
This is where I hang my clothes. Best football team in the world. I've got nothing else to say.
Should we see everyone out?
Yeah. Tell you what, throw them out the window.
No.
Yeah, come on, let's go. Sorry, I'm just finishing the mince pie. Anyway, have a good Christmas, see you later.